If you like the Samoa Girl Scout cookies, you're about to fall in love with this Girl Scout Poke Cake. Chocolate, caramel, the cookies, the whole 9 yards. You're about to fall in love because this is ridiculously easy to make. And the best part is, it's not going to break the bank like them Girl Scout cookies. So y'all, let's go and jump into this. Hey everyone, welcome back to Dad Simply Cooking, where we keep everything cheap, affordable, and for the everyday person. Today we're turning America's favorite cookie, the Girl Scout cookie, which is, if you didn't know, the brand that makes the cookies for the Girl Scouts also sells those cookies year-round at the Dollar General. Same maker. What? Just a lot cheaper. And today we're turning that favorite cookie into a delicious, decadent poke cake. Perfect for birthdays, back to school, potluck, whatever you want to make it for, just to make it. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. The ingredients you're going to need is a golden butter cake mix. I went with 2 packs. Not sure how much I'm going to actually need, but just to play it safe, I got 2 packs of the coconut fudge cookies, a can of the condensed sweetened milk, some caramel, and some coconut flakes. Now I do have some powdered sugar here because I am going to make my chocolate frosting that will go on top of this. And I'm also going to have the recipe in the link or in the description below if you want to check it out. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and the first thing we're going to do is just get this cake mix going. Here we have the infamous blue bowl. If you know, you know. Today I felt like watching Christmas movies because apparently it's Christmas in July today, July 25th. So we're 6 months away from Christmas. Something like that. I could be wrong. I probably am wrong.
Oh my God! Wow!
So 3 eggs. One cup of water. Melt 1/3 cup of my butter. 1/3 cup of butter. And just mix it up. I got a 9 by 13. Spray my edges. And then we're just going to put this in the oven about 20-25 minutes. So, our cake is out of the oven. We're letting it cool. Okay. And we're going to make the best frosting I know how to make. If you want to buy your own, that's fine. On the back of the Hershey Cocoa, there's frosting on the back, and it's 10 of 10. So, we are going to use 1 stick of butter. We want room temperature butter. Room temperature butter. 2/3 cup of cocoa. Two-thirds. 3 cups of powdered sugar. Three cups of powdered sugar. Third cup of milk. And we need a little bit of vanilla. So we'll do a splash of vanilla. And get my handy dandy hand mixer. And it will slowly start transforming into delicious frosting. Hmm. Delicious frosting. Plain and easy too. So our cake is cooled enough where we can pick it up. I love this hand mixer. It's the Drew Barrymore Beauty Collection hand mixer. So now we're going to open up our can of condensed sweetened milk. And I'm just going to start poking some holes in my cake. Set my frosting to the side. Here I'm going to pour my evaporated or my condensed milk on in. My caramel, or caramel as people call it. Pour some caramel in there. Mix it all in. And then I'm just going to pour this over my cake. And just start filling them holes. My frosting. Do some shredded coconut. And of course, you can't forget the cookies. Of a little more caramel. That's cake. So now the only thing left to do is to get me my little blue plate and to cut me a piece. So let's try a piece of this cake. That's good. So I got my glass of milk. I'm going to finish the cake. I'm going to go get these kids to finish their dinner so they can get a piece of cake. And I'll catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, pull up a chair, join the family table. I love you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.